Good evening, you're watching News 24 Karbi Anglong. My name is Birti Rongpipi. Now let us start with the headline show. Floods in Kasa Stadium Complex, Difu, due to poor drainage system, and also Difu Medical College and Hospital was freshened. Kasa Sports Complex was constructed under the one-time special assistance Niti Aayog Government of India, sanctioned during 2015-16 with an estimate amount of rupees 45 crore. The Public Works Department (PWD) Difu Building Division was the executing agency, and the works were executed by Chiranjeev Lal Agarwal of Northeast Infra Developers. Then, also why the work was not properly executed. Asking assistance from Mr. Tudiram Monghang, CM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. A boy named Peterson Kramsa, age 14, inhabitant of West Karbi Anglong, Bithung Rengthama constituency, was infected with tuberculosis disease. Since the last 9 months, the family members tried many traditional systems of healing, but there is no sign of any improvement. The family belongs to a very poor family and cannot afford for further treatment. And now they request Honorable CM Mr. Tudiram Monghang for financial assistance for undergoing further treatment of Peterson Kramsa. The father of this unfortunate boy is very much hopeful that the CM will definitely help them. News from our correspondent Mr. Jesong Timur.
So men ke Peterson Kramsa pu la pen apo men ke Peterson Kramsa la pen ke ape men ke bare engleng pi la se alang le tung ka che lang so ka so che lang ya phang na kho so long un de lo la se kai Karbi Anglong pen alang le chip member lo la se si am phan kerap si am phan ka chone ri la se so pan ke so lang ya phan kerap pa do je ma bo se ne le tum ahen pen chone ri do lo.
A person created lots of disturbance to the villagers due to excessive addiction to drugs. The persons of Tarabasa, Sukum Singh Togbi village, identified as Jonah Singh Togbi, son of Rohan Togbi, was known to be mentally unwell due to excessive addictions to drugs. As a result, he creates lots of disturbance by entering the houses of the villagers. News reported from Center by Clarkson Crow. Thank you for being with us. For more updates, keep watching News 24 Karbi Anglong.